Alright guys, welcome to linking space once again. So this is how to withdraw your seed allocation to your SU wallet, then from the SU wallet to your preferred exchange. So watch the video, make sure you have connected your SU wallet to the seed website. I dropped a video previously on my YouTube, go check it out and connect your SU wallet to your seed website. So first of all, if you want to claim your seed airdrop, you have to download SU wallet from Play Store. Then make sure the wallet you connected from your SU, make sure the wallet you connected to your seed website is the one you are going to be importing to your seed wallet. Make sure it has the same address as the one connected to your seed website. So watch this video, let's go ahead and claim our seed airdrop. Though the price has dropped so badly, it has bumped, but we are going to claim. So watch the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and put down comments. So once you enter your SU wallet, you go to apps, this section apps, then you copy, then you paste this link in the app browser. As you can see, look at it here, paste this link here. You are going to find this link in the description and comment section of this video. So all you have to do is to just copy the link and paste it. So if you're in my community, you'll find the link in my WhatsApp community and also my Telegram community. That's the link to the seed website. Or you can also go to the seed Telegram channel and copy the link there. So once you paste the link in your SU wallet, the app browser, so let's paste the link here. We're going to load it. Then once you load it, as you can see, you're going to connect via Telegram. Then you link your Telegram account by clicking it. Then once your Telegram account has been linked, you click here. As you can see, it's in this text section. You click at this dot, click on dashboard. And once you click on dashboard, I'm going to see this. As you can see, spending app. You click here, you choose seed. Make sure the from is the spending and the to is the wallet. Then you choose seed. Then you continue. Then as you can see, approve transaction, click on approve, then verify by your fingerprint and wait for the transaction to continue. As you can see, transaction executed. As you can see, the transaction has been executed. Available seed 54. You type in 54. Alright, the fee. Okay, the fee is 1 point. As you can see, the fee will be taken from your seed allocation, 1.62 seed. So once you confirm, you will receive 52.3 seed. The next withdrawal will be available in 24 hours. Are you sure? Then click on confirm. So approve the transaction. So guys, I'll be giving out free SU for transaction fee. In case you want to send out your SU to exchange, I will give out free SU as a transaction fee. So don't forget to subscribe, share the video and comment seed on the comment section of this video to receive your free SU for a transaction fee. Transaction is executed. So I think we have withdrawn our seed So to confirm this, we're going to head to our wallet. So let's head back to our wallet, home, and refresh it. As you can see, the seed has appeared. You can see seed has appeared. So this is it. We have successfully claimed our seed allocation. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video for more crypto updates.